version of it.
Okay. So, Shaggy, what do you want to do now?
Oh,
Well, this is our second last gig, right, together.
oh yes, tonight, and then one more tomorrow. Hey. This had to happen.
As we're getting divorced tomorrow, what would you like to do?
Yeah, so I know this is a very, very nice collaboration, you and I, but I have to get back to my regular job.
What, driving a bus? What do you do?
Two different gigs, yes. So I want to do my new single. By the way,
Wait. You want to do your new single?
My new single.
I'm not on your new single. That song is too high for me.
Yeah, but you see, I thought about that, and I brought me a singer. Yeah, I brought me a singer. Hey, yeah.
No, that's not obsessive. You brought a singer?
I brought a singer because I know you couldn't go that high.
So I suppose he's younger, better looking, and a better singer.
Well, you know what?
What?
He's a YouTuber on from Canada.
You what?
YouTuber. Have you heard of YouTube?
No.
Well, these guys. He's from Canada. They're 19 years old. Yeah,
I hate him already.
right. Make some noise for Alexander Stewart. Come here, Alexander.
Okay.
And hey, this single is from my new album, Wagwan! Wagwan! Make sure you can get it. You can get a copy for you, your sister, your dog, your cat.
Shameless.
Yeah. What?
What's it called? What's the song called?
The song is called You.
So what do I do?
Well, you see, that is a good thing you and I have this conversation because I want you to play bass in the key that you know how to play
So
bass.
tomorrow we're getting divorced and I'm playing at your wedding already?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
You can play at the divorce.
What keys is it?
In the same key you play it every night. Stop asking me that question. Are you ready, everybody? Make some noise for on bass Sting. Alexander Stewart, brand new single from Shaggy. You, and I want your hands in the air. I want you to make some noise. Here we go.
In a crowded room with noise, I hear your voice.
Hey.
With a sea of people, you're my only choice. From a distance, I know you capture my heart.
Oh, you sounding good, baby girl.
I'm an air like you, baby. Cause all I see is you.
Sing it now.
Cause all I see is you. Cause all I see is you. Cause all I see is you.
Are you ready? Yeah. Hey.
Now they give me talking vision, it's like I got blinders.
All I see is you.
I guess my don't time question, for who I got my mind.
All I see is you.
I think about you all day long. I wanna be with you all night. Do everything you hold me tight. You're always by my side. When I try to plot the scheme to come between you and me,
All I see is you.
and in all honesty, I decline respectfully.
Cause all I see is you.
All I see is.
All I see is you.
All I see.
All I see is you.
Hey.
Cause all I see is you.
Bring it up, put your hands in the air. Let's go.
Yelling at the whole thing, I just have to confess this.
All I see is you.
I'm in a new yellow tunnel, can't try disrespect this.
All I see is you.
Baby, let me hold you tight. I wanna be with you all night. I wanna give you real love that you can feel when I think of us. Let me try to find the scheme to come between you and me.
All I see is you.
And in all honesty, I decline respectfully.
All I see is you.
I want to hear you.
All I see is you.
Here we go. It's all I see is. I can't hear you. All I see is. Bobby, get up, put your hands up. Let's go.
to the band below, and then we have our youngest member, Mr. Shane Sager, who can play harmonica. He's 14 and a half. Better looking, he's not quite legal for anything, especially playing the harmonica. We're going to do a song called Brand New Day.